Hello guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to restore streaks on Snapchat 2023. So without further ado, let's start. First, open your Snapchat app and then go to Profile. After that, click on Settings. So now from Settings, scroll down and then you'll see I need help. Just click on that. It will then direct you here. So what you're going to do is to choose this one. I lost my Snapstreak. You can also choose Snapstreaks on the search bar. So now you can see the choices or the options. You can choose any of this according to your problem. Next, fill in all the necessary information. And then at the last box, what you're going to do is to choose No. And then put on the description, I want to restore my Snapstreaks. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.